Understanding how 3D printing works, a complete guide. 3D printing starts with designing a model using CAD software, creating a digital blueprint. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, melts plastic filament layer by layer to form objects. Stereolithography, SLA, uses UV light to cure liquid resin into solid layers, offering high precision. Common materials include plastics, metals, and resins, chosen for their strength and flexibility. Post-processing techniques enhance the final product, improving appearance and durability. Subscribe for more fascinating tech insights.